This is more than one answer type problem, and the problem is fx equal to mod x minus 1 into box x minus box of minus x, where box x is the greatest integer function. Now we have to find the correct alternatives. More than one alternative may be correct. From the option, we see that all the options are at x equal to 1, x equal to 1, x equal to 1 and x equal to 1. So we first explain the function fx, given function fx at the point x equal to 1. That is on the left hand side of x equal to 1 and on the right hand side of x equal to 1. Now we start as fx. This is if x less than 1. If x less than 1, then obviously this is negative, minus x minus 1. And if x less than 1, then box x, this is equal to 0, and box minus x, this is equal to minus 2. Right? X less than 1 means here x less than 1, here 0, here 1. X less than 1 but greater than 0, obviously, because near x equal to 1. Then here is x. Then box x is equal to 0. And if x equal to minus less than 1, then like 0.9, then it is here minus 0.9. Right? So minus 0.9 means this is box minus x. This is not correct. So this is minus 1. And this is minus of minus 1. So it is minus x minus 1. So the total answer is minus of x minus 1. At x equal to 1, this is 0, and obviously if this term be not 0, then the product of 0 and non-zero term is also 0. So this is 0, final answer. And if x greater than 1, that is we take 1.01, then this is positive x minus 1 and this is 1, and when x is greater than 1, then minus x, this is equal to minus 1.01. So this is lies at left side of minus 1. So this is minus 2. Box of minus x, this is equal to minus 2. So we get 1 minus minus 2. That is 3 into x minus 1. Right? So we get the result, the function as at x equal to 1, less than 1 and greater than 1. Now clearly left hand limit at x equal to 1, that is f of 0 minus 0, this is equal to 1, and right hand limit f of 0 plus, this is 1 minus 0 and this is 1 plus 0, and this result is minus 3. Right? So these are not equal, that is the function is not continuous at x equal to 1. So our correct option is fx is discontinuous at x equal to 1. Now we know that if a function is discontinuous at x equal to 1, then f dash 1 does not exist. That is, fx is not derivable at x equal to 1. So another correct option is Option C. So two options are correct, option C and option B. Right? This is the final answer of this problem. Thank you for watching.